Information Services Group is a global technology research and advisory firm working with a number of different organizations on the transformation of their overall business agenda. We basically have Asia as a very key focus region, primarily because we've worked with a number of large enterprises, be it banks, governments, manufacturing institutions, and a lot of other industry verticals, to be able to look at how technology can help transform their overall business using intelligent automation, using very strong governance and compliance, and increase their competitiveness in the overall market, helping them become better banks, better government agencies, and ensuring that their end customers and stakeholders actually look at them as a transformed company. Our biggest focus for GBS in the Malaysia or the ASEAN region is to be able to actually work with what is the most efficient way of handling a company's competitive differentiation. Now, what do I mean by that? A lot of banks are not so much as basically looking at just reducing cost today, but basically becoming a better bank, offering better services to their customers. A lot of governments want to actually give better citizen services. And in that frame, the GBS forum needs to come up with areas of focus for transformation, not only with reduced costs, but basically a better experience, better competitiveness for their end customer as well. This is not something which is pretty straightforward. It requires a lot of strategy, a current state assessment, as well as a gap analysis before a strategic roadmap can be implemented for the particular organization. ISG, we work with a number of different organizations to be able to do that. I think what is very clear is that a high grade of empathy with customers on their transformation journey definitely helps a longer partnership where you look at this particular organization based on market insights, trends, actually evolving to a very different level of being a transformed company in a 2, 3, 5-year period. So one of the things that I want to briefly touch upon is this area of intelligent automation that incorporates both automation as well as a whole lot of cognitive intelligence that is actually brought about by AI tools. Now, this is an essential element of transformation, be it at the infrastructure level, at the application level, or even at the organization business process level. Why do I say that? If it is just purely automation, then the efficiency of the automation will be as good as the efficiency of the operation that we're trying to automate. If the operation itself is not efficient, then automation will create further inefficiency. However, if this is backed up by intelligence, and intelligence that actually not only comes by the human element, but also artificial intelligence that actually comes with decision making, pattern matching, and agility that is actually driven by AI tools, then an organization definitely stands to have a better overall experience in how they deliver key and critical functions to their customers. Therefore, my focus will be on the digitization as well as on the automation fronts, both backed by artificial intelligence. Malaysia is maybe one of the most critical countries for ISG in Asia. And I say that because there is so much of potential of transformation in this country that it really helps to be able to actually align our value proposition with the transformation. As I told you earlier, we focus on technology, research, market insights, and based on what we've seen, Malaysia is definitely not only a growing market, but a market that is actually now at the brink of a jump start towards automation and intelligent automation therein. We want to be a part of this journey, and effectively I think what we want to do is to work with a number of different enterprises to see how we can strategically help them, either with workshop or assessments, to align their intelligent automation journey. And because we've got an automation practice, we can actually deliver not only a particular type of automation, but anything from robotic to autonomic to cognitive, working with different technology providers, but making sure that the automation journey is a success for Malaysia.